Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video so beautiful and very cute ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful trendy haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and so beautiful overall collection in low maintenance hairstyling, haircut, hair dye for girls and women. You see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, and beautiful shag ideas you see in this video. A wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas deep layered, step, undercut. Mostly ideas of low maintenance haircut in undercut. Different side of undercut, back and full hair, and some ideas one side. And so beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, ash color, and some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color, and in funky color. And so beautiful, cute ideas of hairstyling. And very attractive ideas of hairstyling in spiky. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyle in spiky and messy. But some ideas in today's my collection, fine hairstyle, and some ideas in wavy and curly. So beautiful and short, too short. I say too short, wave and curl in low maintenance hairstyling you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and you look very cute and you look very beautiful. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please do subscribe my channel and fully support me, support my channel. I hope you do this. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection. new ideas. Take care and bye bye.